Hello beautiful family of Vichi hair skin treatment. Are you as excited as I am today? Hit the follow button now and share this post to give hope to your friends and family that are suffering hair loss. Remember, you should not let anything get in the way of your happiness. Not even a thinning hair. Because EJ Wild Growth Hair Treatment got your back. Did you know? EJ Wild Growth Hair Treatment deeply hydrate and revitalize your hair. Infused with vitamin E and other essential nourishing nutrients, EJ Wild Growth Hair Treatment delivers transformative moisture to parched strands, encouraging healthy hair growth while revitalizing both scalp and hair. Say goodbye to dryness and embrace healthier and more manageable locks. Now, let's dive into today's episode. Well, you already know that Emma could not see Maya, and we know why. While at work, Paul's colleague noticed how distressed Paul has been lately. Guess who that is? Well, find out yourself.
Are you good, man? You have not been your usual self lately? Is there a problem? Come on, man, just spill, okay?
Oh man, I think I need to go to the bathroom now.
Paul has been acting so strange lately. Who knows what's eating him up?
My colleagues have noticed I got a problem. How do I tell them my wife cries every day because of thinning hair? I don't want to subject my wife to too many unnecessary pity. That may worsen her condition. Oh man. This one's tough.
Oh no. This is really a tough situation for Paul. He wants a solution for his wife. But he does not want her to be ridiculed. I'm sad for him too. What do you think happened next? Come find out in the next episode. As usual, ensure you like and share to give someone out there hope for a healthier, better hair. I will see you again in the next episode. Bye.